Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kao. In this video, I'm going to go through some solution for the multiple regression example. This is the in-class exercise. So last time we talked about the multiple regression model. If you are still confused, please contact me. Basically, we have several variables here, and we want to figure out the setting of the beta. And we use a gradient descent algorithm to do that. So here's a code, how we can feed the data, how we can apply it, and how we can evaluate the data. And we also talk about regularization. Regularization is something when we try to feed the data and figure out the parameter, we penalize the beta when they are too big, right? So we talk about the ridge penalty. The in-class exercise asks you to modify the function, the feed function, to apply the ridge gradient. So we already provide we have the square ridge gradient, so which we demoed in the class, and you just need to replace the normal square arrow gradient with this square arrow ridge gradient. This function, if you check that, it took 4 parameters: x, y, beta, and alpha. So that's why here we provide x, y. Beta would be the guess, so this is a beta. Start with random. Alpha is a parameter, so we provide that also. So we provide 4 parameters, and this is a function you could implement. This is how you can apply that and figure out the beta. So we also have some functions for you to test. The second exercise asks you to apply another Nassau regression. So in the class I said the Nassau regression, you just need to modify the several functions actually. So first of all, like the arrow function, now instead of the ridge penalty, we have the Nassau penalty. So Nassau penalty is here, and we also need to implement the Nassau penalty gradient. Here we use the same gradient as the ridge penalty. We didn't expect you guys have a lot of calculus background, so don't worry, we will just leave it as it is, and then this we just update with the Nassau penalty instead of ridge penalty gradient. And the least square feed Nassau is similar to the one we wrote before, but instead of the ridge gradient, we use a Nassau gradient as we just implemented here. So finally, you can use this feed function, and we just set up some default parameters here, and we can get the beta. So this beta could be different than the beta we generate from the ridge penalty or the normal gradient descent. So we apply that to the function multiple r squared to calculate the error. So this is the performance. The last exercise is about using the sklearn. So this one is simply just get from the tutorial. So you can just find the tutorial how to use a linear regression here, and we print the output. Okay, so that's all for the in-class exercise. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. Thank you.